Welcome to today's review on COSMO F965NF 36-inch Stellar Collection Dual Fuel Range. Today we explore its cooking power, design quality, and everyday usability features performance. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this dual fuel range at the best price in the market. This dual fuel range delivers powerful cooking performance through 5 sealed burners designed for precise heat control and consistent flame distribution, suitable for boiling, frying, searing, and gentle simmering across everyday meals. Home cooking. The burner configuration includes high BTU output options, including a powerful 18,000 BTU burner for intense heat, a mid-range burner, and lower BTU burners for delicate sauces and energy-efficient cooking control system. Inside the oven, a turbo-through European convection system circulates heat evenly, helping meals cook faster and more uniformly while maintaining moisture and flavor with a spacious 3.8 cubic foot capacity. Design efficiency. The oven supports 8 versatile cooking functions, including bake convection, broil, high broil, low broil, pizza, defrost, and lighting, allowing users to prepare a wide variety of recipes with flexibility and confidence cooking. Safety features include overheating protection, cool-to-touch handle design, and improved ventilation, ensuring safe operation during long cooking sessions while maintaining stable temperature control inside the oven cavity system. Built with heavy-duty stainless steel construction, the range offers durability, corrosion resistance, and a premium finish, while cast iron grates provide support and even heat retention for everyday cooking. Cooking experience is designed to be intuitive with responsive knobs, stable burner ignition, and evenly heated oven space, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced home cooks seeking reliability and consistent performance. Key advantages include strong burner power, versatile oven functions, durable stainless steel build, and efficient convection system, making it a reliable choice for serious home cooking enthusiasts. Overall performance strong. Some drawbacks include higher price compared to basic ranges, heavy weight requiring careful installation, and limited availability of advanced smart features found in modern connected kitchen appliances for convenience users. Compared to similar dual-fuel ranges, this model stands out for its combination of high-performance burners, convection technology, and solid stainless steel construction, offering strong value for serious home chefs in this category market. Installation requires standard dimensions with adjustable height range and a 4-prong power plug included, while optional liquid propane conversion kit allows flexibility for different kitchen setups. Installation convenience option. This range is ideal for home cooks who want restaurant-level performance in their kitchen, combining power, precision, and versatility for everyday meals and special cooking occasions, alike users professionals. Overall performance is strong with powerful burners, reliable convection baking, and consistent heat distribution, delivering dependable results across a wide range of cooking styles and recipes for everyday kitchen use, with professional-level results achieved. Cleaning is simple thanks to stainless steel surface and cast iron grates that resist stains and can be wiped down easily after cooking sessions quickly. Customer support is based in the United States and includes a 1-year limited warranty, ensuring assistance and reliability for long-term kitchen use coverage. For buyers looking to upgrade their kitchen, this range offers a balanced mix of power, design, and durability, making it a smart investment. Link in description provides best pricing option. It is a solid choice for home chefs who want performance, reliability, and a professional cooking experience in a durable and stylish appliance. Overall recommended. This range delivers consistent cooking results, making it a dependable addition for any modern home kitchen setup and lifestyle needs.